Hello all. Today in this advanced Excel video I will be discussing about automate Excel. That means if you make change in one Excel, that will be reflected in n number of copies which you want, or if you want to make 100 Excel sheet combined, it will automatically get combined into one Excel sheet, and the changes which you have made in one Excel sheet will be reflected automatically in all other Excel sheet. So let me show you the data. The data which you have, these are sales data from January 24 to December 25. That means 24 months data, 2 years data. And in this data, as you can see, there are products, quantity and price, monitor, keyboard, and all these products, computer products which is purchased by any firm, and these are the quantities. So what I'm doing is I'm copying this only 2 sheet out of this 24 sheet. I'm making copy of this 2 sheet in one sample data folder, and then this sample data folder I will combine this with the help of Power Query. To do this, you need to just open one Excel sheet, blank Excel sheet, which is name as any name you can give, which is append or anything. Now go to data, and then in this data you need to add these files through Power Query. So the format is data, then go to get data, click on get data, then from folders, so give command, give path. So this is sample sales which I have made copy of only 2 sheet out of 24. So these 2 sheets I am making import into Power Query. As you can see, these 2 sheets are shown over here. We have to click on transform data. Still the data is not combined. These are 2 different Excel sheet. I'll combine based on some formula. So I am combining these 2. So these are the Power Query window, and in this Power Query window only first column is useful for us, which is content folder. So remaining other columns we are going to delete it, and in this content folder our data is in binary format. So first of all we need to convert this binary format into table format. So we click on custom data, and you write one simple formula called excel.workbook. This formula actually convert your binary data into Excel format, table format, and when you click OK, you will get the data format is in table. As you can see, the data is converted from binary to table. So now binary we don't require, we'll remove this. Our data is already in table format. Now to see this, our data, let me show you. The data still is hidden. We have data of computer software like hardware, keyboard and all this, but still this is not there. So we'll click on this expand button and click on data. After clicking expand button, just unselect everything and click data. Click on this, and now click anywhere in this area, and you can see the data has been shown. So these are the order ID, product, quantity, price, right? And these are the 10 items which is purchased in January and the 10 items in February. But the still problem is our data header is in second row. The data should be on first row. So we are converting, again giving command, that is table.prompt header. We just type header and then you will get this prompt. So click on this comma, you can bracket and double click on data. Now the moment when you press OK, your data automatically promoted your header, which is in actually second row, now converted into first row. Let me show you the difference between these two. See, this is our header, which is order ID, product, quantity, which is in top header, but in this is given in second row. So now we got the perfect one, and we don't require this, and we delete it. Now we have a data which is in top header. Now we click on OK, and the data will get expanded. Now as I have shown you the row data, there are only data of product quantity and price. I want to add revenue, but just imagine revenue is not given in all 24 files. But now the magic is, Power Query magic is, you give command in this one particular sheet, and whenever you copy, even though you copy 500 sheet or 1000 sheets, automatically revenue will be shown. So I want to just add a formula called revenue. You can give n number of formulas in this. So I'm giving formula revenue equals to quantity multiplied by price. Quantity into price. So click on this and you will get the new column added, which is a revenue column. Yes, so these are the revenues. Okay, as you can see this, I'm highlighting this. Now I want to bring this data into Excel. This is still in Power Query. This particular area is in Power Query mode. Now I will bring it to Excel, and then the magic comes. So to show this data into Excel, go to Home tab. Yes, and this you can see there are only 2 months data. Now go to Home tab, click on Close and Load to button, and the prompt will ask you want data in table, power table, or what. Then we click on table. We just want table. And yes, as you can see, this 2 months data. 1 month equals to 10 items, second month equals to another 10 items, and the revenue has been added. And see, there are only 20 rows right now, or 20 row data, or you can say 2 months data is there. Now I'll show you the use of Power Query. Automatically data will be added. You just need to copy into folder. So in this sample folder there are only 2 months, month 1, month 2. Now let me show you the original data. This is monthly data of 24 months, 12 months of 24 and 12 months of 25. Now what I'll do, I'll just copy and paste here. I've just made copy and paste into the main sample folder. Earlier there were only 2, but now all data I've added into this folder. We just have to click refresh button. The moment when we click refresh button, all data automatically will be added with revenue calculation. Now before clicking on refresh all button, let me show you. There are only right now 20, and let me show you another row file of March and April, or maybe any random month where revenue is actually not there. So before clicking on refresh, let's go to again sample folder where we have just copy and paste this data. So this is March month where there is only quantity and price, revenue is missing, right? And let me show you another April month or any other month. April month, again there is quantity and price is given, but revenue is missing. Similarly, all the months revenue column is missing, but we've just copy paste this file. Now refresh it and look at this. On right hand side there are only 20 rows added. The moment when you click refresh, all 240 columns, all files are combined into this one particular append file. All this month's data added from January 24 to December 25, and there were no revenue, but now revenue is also added. Not only that, if you add another 60 files, 100 files, 1000 files, just paste that file into folder, the data automatically will be loaded into this particular Excel sheet. So that's the power of Power Query. Your every day you have to make calculations. So what you can do is you just make one Power Query, and every day or maybe once in a week or 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, any one particular time you decide, paste the files into folder, and all the files will automatically be calculated. So thank you. For more advanced Excel tools you can follow me. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching.